This video is a quick sneak peek of our new TMC analysis feature. Access instant granular counts for any intersection, anytime, any day. On-demand access to 24/7 counts, results with 15-minute granularity, and TMC outputs aligned with industry standards.
We're now going to walk you through the new turning movement count analysis type in StreetLight InSight. As you can see, there's a new module on the bottom left-hand side with the new feature. For the past 2 months, customers have been able to access this in beta mode and explore some of the limited features. However, it is now being fully rolled out with both 3- and 4-legged intersections and the StreetLight volume output. So what we're going to do is walk you through some of the new features. In this case, we're going to look at an area called Van Nuys, California, which is in Southern California, at a specific intersection that is very heavily trafficked to understand what is the turning movement count situation going on over there, this specific intersection. So all you do is zoom in, and then we are now dealing with a new zone type called intersections that includes 4 gates. So all you do is just drag and drop 2 clicks, and you set up each gate. As you can see, I'm going to do another drag and drop here, zooming for our south gate, and then another drag and drop here. So it's as easy as 4 clicks. And then we're just going to type in the names of the different gates. And with that, let's select next. And we're just going to configure the options for analysis. So you're going to choose the data period that you're interested in analyzing, the day types that you're interested in analyzing, and the day parts. And for day parts, it actually automatically adds the 15-minute bin granularity, but you can also add some more custom day parts as well. And as you can see, the StreetLight volume output is the default. And with that, we are going to confirm the analysis. And now we're going to visualize it in the Viz 3D section of the platform. Now we're going to walk through the visualization of the TMC analysis in the Viz 3D section of the platform. As you can see, you can get turning movement counts within a few minutes with a few clicks without using any hardware or going into the field. So on the left-hand side, you can configure the day parts. So I can choose custom range. As you can see, the 15-minute time increments are over here, or you can actually choose the StreetLight peak hours as well, which includes peak AM and peak PM. For this one, we're going to look at the custom range. And then as you can see over here, you can actually click on the different gates and you can see how you want to analyze the zone. So I can either do it via inbound trips or outbound trips. So let's do outbound trips. And the arrows will actually reflect the direction of the metrics that you'll receive. You can also configure it on the left over here. And then if you go on the right, you are also able to look at these from a chart perspective. So if you click on zone distribution, you will see the traffic flow for the different gates. You can hover over them and see the volume associated with them. You can also access the time distribution chart, which will show the traffic flow at different times of day, and hover over them to see the different volumes associated with each gate. And then you can also access our new traffic flow tables. So as you can see over here, you can look at the different hours of the day, and you also have the ability to look at it in a diagram format, which is a typical diagram for traffic engineers, and you can see the different arrows associated with the different volumes. If you were to select the StreetLight peak hours option, you would also be able to see those information reflected on these diagrams, but in the table format, you would be able to access the peak hour factor as well within these diagrams. And lastly, you are able to export high quality resolution screenshots for these, and then you can also download the CSV files by clicking download metrics. And once you get access to those, you can very easily pull up the results in seconds. And you can see the different analysis that we just did in a TMC diagram format or a peak hour table, if you wish to view them this way instead of the instead of the visualizations.